name's Mine.
My name's Zay.
And we're the LA Duo. And we apologize for not posting any videos. We just didn't have any content. But now we have content. We got the Vat19
mystery box. Alright, so here's the mystery box. So it's a Vat19 mystery box. We got a large. So it comes in 4 varieties: small, medium, large, and mega. So this is a large, and let's get into it. So
how we going? I think I got away. A thing. Alright.
Alright, it's open. You got it?
2,000 years later.
Get into it. So we got the Vat19 classic wrap.
So let's put this on the floor.
Alright, so we're gonna put it on the floor, take out stuff one by one.
So first thing I see in here
Ooh,
is the Vesty pen. Now, you squeeze it. Uh-oh. And then you can see it gets angry. I'm gonna take this off the package so you can go ahead and...
Alright, what should I get? So, I'm going to take the Sticky Boo. So, it's a little stress ball that you can throw at walls and it'll stick. Alright, let's see how this feels. Ooh. Ooh. Feel weird. Look at it.
What material do it feel like in this?
It's like sticky rubber. See, look. You can just throw it on the table to just stick.
Imagine getting tagged in the face with that.
Oh, we have something too. So we don't have multiple, but this is the crunchy snowball. It's not edible. It's just they just say crunchy because the material that it's made from, let's see, is, I don't know what that material is, but it's like, it feels so crazy.
And what I got right here, we got some potato chip clips. They call potato clips.
They actually look like chips.
It's, you know, when you open a bag of chips and you never play fish them, you just pop one of these babies on there. But don't try to eat them though. Try it, not feel good.
Alright, so what should we get next? So now we're gonna get to, ooh, what are these? Called cubes. So I don't know what these are. Let me read the back. Oh. Okay, so these cubes right here, it comes with 3 different colors, red, yellow, and blue. You can put them inside water and they'll grow. That's cool. So it's like Orbeez, just cubes. That's cool.
Uh-oh. And what I got right here, got some putty. Some thinking putty. All right? Now see how, uh-oh.
It's tight. Oh, there you go.
Uh-oh. It got hard, but it's okay. When you play with it, it starts to get liquidy. So while I'm playing with this, you can go ahead and get to the next one.
What should I get for this? What is this? Ooh. Sneaky Stardust. What is this? Oh. It's powdered gum. Oh, I've seen this before. So you put it in your mouth, and then just as you just swish it around your mouth, it'll turn into gum. Well, I can't wait to try this. What you gonna get now?
Uh-oh, for all you people that like tiny stuff out here we go. We got the world's smallest Uno cards, all right?
Oh, those look cool.
Let us know down in the comments. Will you play with these or will you just leave them up on the shelf?
Me personally, I'll just leave them up on the shelf. Those look cool. Ooh, what is this? Cat selfie. Oh, I guess it's just like a little thing that you put on your phone and you can get your cat's attention. But we don't have no cats around this house. We only have dogs.
We don't do cats.
But for all you cat lovers, this should be some type of stuff for you.
And I seen a video, it said it might get dogs' attention too, but it depends what type of dog you got. All right? If we got like a mini Pac-Man console, you can play Pac-Man on. You can see
That's cool.
And y'all.
Alright. And now we have some Taco Cat goat cheese pizza. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a card game. I don't know what type of card game this is. I've never seen this before. I ain't never seen a video on it neither. I'm just gonna put that to the side. We can probably play with it later. Alright, so what's your next thing?
We have a Dot to Dot, the greatest Dot to Dot adventures. And this book, let me look through this book. Roll another one. It's a whole bunch of dots. I can barely. Woo.
It's a lot of dots.
I just started writing letters like yesterday.
That is a lot of dots. Oh man, it's giving me a headache already. Ooh. Alright. Okay. So now we're gonna start getting to some of the gummy stuff. Alright, so we have two actually. Got two giant gummy ices. They look delicious. Oh my god. This looks so good. Ooh. What's your next one? Oh Jesus, that's huge.
Gummy bear on a stick.
That is humongous, bro. And the last but not least
That's
product.
what she said.
We have some Toxic Waste Bears, sour and chewy. Those look good. Well,
We're gonna have some gummy stuff coming soon.
so all the gummy stuff that you just seen, we're gonna save that for another episode. So stay tuned. You ready, man?
Alright, on to the outro.
Ha. Ah.